This is Super Cala.
Probably the most unique, organized, minimalistic, travel-friendly cable ever created. Unlike other messy cables cluttering your counters or drawers, or those extra short cables that require disconnecting to use the device, super unorganized and is easily extendable when needed, keeping those counters, desks, and drawers neat and tidy.
That instead of tapping our fingers and clicking our pens, we were more drawn to the satisfying, irresistible clicking of our very own cable. These neodymium magnets, specifically manufactured for our cables, are diametrically magnetized and free-floating along the cable. This allows the magnet's north and south poles to always connect with each other, creating our unique patent-pending design. Precisely spaced between the magnets is our ultra-durable silicone sleeves, allowing the magnets to always line up with each other while also providing excellent cord protection.
Our standard 3-foot cable is perfect for everyday use and traveling, and our 6-foot cable is perfect for those extra long reaches.